If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. A helpful feature in all current versions of Sage 50 Accounting is the Internal Accounting Review. This feature will run a quick check of your accounts and transactions to check for minor accounting errors, like selecting an incorrect account type when writing a check, for example. The Internal Accounting Review then displays an easy-to-read list you can use to help find and fix your minor accounting errors. To start the Internal Accounting Review in Sage 50 Accounting, select Reports and Forms, Internal Accounting Review from the menu bar. After the report appears, you can click any of the transaction lines to open the source transaction and fix the problem shown in the review window. Be sure to save any changes you make when fixing transaction problems. When finished with the Internal Accounting Review, simply close the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.